Hi friends. Welcome to my channel, DIY Data Science. In this channel I discuss some of my fun data science projects which I do in my free time at home. Today I am going to show you how you can create your very own real-time Twitter analytics system in minutes without writing any code. With this system you will be able to create charts to monitor tweets in real time. Let me show a simple dashboard which displays the real-time count of tweets about Netflix and Amazon Prime, side by side. Let us take a look at the tools used to create this system. The first tool is called Twint. It is a Python-based Twitter scraping tool. Twint does not require you to have a Twitter account. It does not need any credentials or API keys to work with. We will have a look at this tool in a bit. The second tool is called the Elk Stack. It is software bundle which contains three popular tools: Elasticsearch, Logstash and Cabana. Elasticsearch is like a database, the Logstash component is tool to ingest streaming data like logs, and Cabana is a monitoring and visualization tool. Twint is Python-based tool. So to run Twint, you should have Python installed on your system. It has around 9K stars on GitHub. Using Twint does not require any API key or a Twitter account, unlike many other tools and libraries. You just install it and run it. Twint has built-in support for storing data in many formats like CSV, TXT, SQLite and even Elasticsearch. However, at the time of creating this video, the export to SQLite and Elasticsearch functionality was not working. But luckily I found a way to store the data in Elasticsearch without having to write any code, which I will discuss in an upcoming slide. The Elk Stack is a very complicated piece of software with lots of moving parts. The best way to install it locally is to use Docker. So you will need Docker and Docker Compose installed on your system. Once you have these, you can run the commands shown here to install Elk Stack locally. Once the Elk Stack is installed, following services will be running: Elasticsearch on port 9200, Cabana on port 5601, Logstash listening for data on port 5000. To ingest data we simply pipe the output of Twint to Netcat, which sends it to Logstash using TCP on port 5000. We can set up such multiple data ingestion streams for different keywords as shown here. We have created two streams, one for the keyword, Netflix, and another for, Amazon Prime. After creating the streams it is important to access Cabana on http://localhost port 5601 via web browser and create an index pattern called Logstash * with a timestamp as the time. This is a one-time process. Once this is done, you should be able to see and query data using Cabana. Using Cabana you can easily create custom dashboards with different charts on them. Cabana offers a rich set of data visualization tools to create dashboards using just drag and drop. You should enable automatic refresh on your dashboards by specifying time interval in dashboard settings as shown here, to automatically update your charts. I have just shown you a way to create a very powerful analytics platform without writing any code. You should ideally set this up on a machine that has high RAM, so that you can handle more data and query faster. The Elk Stack is perfectly capable of handling humongous amounts of data without any problem. Please note that what we discussed so far is a hobbyist kind of setup. To deploy in production, you will need to handle security and scaling aspects appropriately. Also, since Twint's support for ingestion to Elasticsearch is currently broken, we are only able to ingest data as text using Logstash. In future I will create a new video on how to run custom NLP tasks as part of the ingestion pipeline and ingest structured data. As always I like to perform my experiments on a tight budget. This is approximate cost which I calculated based on GCP pricing assuming a N1 standard 4-core machine with 15 GB RAM. As ingress data is free you won't get charged for the data. You can also get this done much cheaper if you rent out a VPS on cloud providers like Linode, Vultr or Hetzner. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please visit my website for a detailed article on setting up this system. You can also connect with me on Twitter if you have any questions. If you are a student or fresher who is currently looking for a job, You may want to check out my ebook, Student's Manual of Job Interviews, on Amazon. All the links are in description of this video. Thanks for watching and wish you a very happy new year.